show's a train, it's moving fast. You and I were meant to last. Voting for me just wasn't right. So look out now, you're in my sights.
Mr. Fair, now suddenly I have to barf now. Excuse me, don't try to make me feel ashamed. I know you would have done the same.
I'm gonna make it.
You can't stop me now, just you try. Our fortune's waiting. It's time for you to say goodbye, bye, bye.
I never thought I'd get this far. Let's face it, I'm no TV star. But now I'm in the final three. Unless we get caught in that tree. No!
You're gonna make it. They can't stop you now. Let them try. Our fortune's waiting, and they can kiss it all. Bye, bye, bye.
You are the worst.
Why must you torment me? It's all a game to you, but not to me.
Heather!